Best Gaming Companies 101, Largest Gaming Companies by Revenue. Determining the best gaming companies can depend on various factors such as revenue, market share, critical acclaim, innovation, and cultural impact. Here are some gaming companies that are widely regarded as leaders in the industry. 1. Nintendo, known for iconic franchises such as Super Mario, The Legend of Zelda, and Pokémon. Nintendo has a long history of innovation in gaming. They develop both console and handheld gaming devices, with the Nintendo Switch being one of their most successful products. 2. Sony Interactive Entertainment. Sony's PlayStation brand is synonymous with high-quality gaming experiences. The PlayStation consoles have been home to numerous critically acclaimed and commercially successful franchises, including Uncharted, God of War, and Gran Turismo. 3. Microsoft Xbox Game Studios. Microsoft's Xbox platform is a major player in the gaming industry, with a strong lineup of exclusive titles such as Halo, Gears of War, and Forza Motorsport. In addition to game development, Microsoft has been investing heavily in cloud gaming with its Xbox Game Pass service. 4. Electronic Arts, EA. EA is one of the largest video game companies in the world, known for popular franchises such as FIFA, Madden NFL, Battlefield, and The Sims. They develop and publish games across various genres and platforms, including consoles, PC, and mobile. 5. Activision Blizzard. Activision Blizzard is a leading publisher of video games, with franchises like Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and Diablo under its umbrella. The company is known for its focus on multiplayer and online gaming experiences. 6. Ubisoft. Ubisoft is a French video game company known for its diverse portfolio of games spanning multiple genres and platforms. Franchises like Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, and Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six have garnered widespread acclaim and popularity. 7. Epic Games. Epic Games is the developer behind the immensely popular battle royale game Fortnite. In addition to game development, Epic Games is known for its Unreal Engine, a widely used game development platform. 8. CD Projekt Red. CD Projekt Red is a Polish video game developer known for its critically acclaimed RPG series, The Witcher. The company gained further attention with the release of Cyberpunk 2077, though the game's launch was marred by technical issues. 9. Square Enix. Square Enix is a Japanese video game developer and publisher known for its role-playing games, RPGs, and franchises like Final Fantasy, Dragon Quest, and Kingdom Hearts. The company has a rich history in the gaming industry and continues to produce high-quality titles. 10. Valve Corporation. Valve is the developer behind the Steam platform, one of the largest digital distribution platforms for PC gaming. Valve is also known for its own game franchises, including Half-Life, Portal, and Counter-Strike. These are just a few examples of gaming companies that have made significant contributions to the industry. The best gaming companies can vary depending on individual preferences, gaming platforms, and regional markets.